Hi friends, here I am going to present session number 9 of paper 7 analysis 2 and algebra 4 of 6th sem mathematics. The topic is harmonic functions. So what is harmonic functions? So the function which satisfy Laplace's equation is called harmonic functions. Let us look at the definition of harmonic function. So on a function f of x comma y which has continuous partial derivatives of the first and second order and satisfy Laplace equation dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square is equal to 0 is called a harmonic function. So let us we have some properties on harmonic function. Real and imaginary parts are u and v. So u and v are harmonic functions if f of z is analytic function. So let f of z is equal to u plus iv be analytic function. So by necessary condition, so u and v satisfies CR equations, that is dou u by dou x partially with respect to x and y respectively. We get differentiation of dou u by dou x with respect to x is dou square u by dou x square. In the right hand side it is dou square v by dou y dou x. And similarly differentiation of dou u by dou y with respect to y, that is dou square u by dou y square is equal to minus dou square v by dou x dou y. Now adding these two, we get dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square, which is equal to dou square v by dou y dou x minus dou square v by dou x dou y. But these two derivatives are same. That is dou square v by dou y dou x is equal to dou square v by dou x dou y. Therefore the right hand side is equal to 0, that is u satisfies Laplace equation, hence the real part u is harmonic. Again differentiating, dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to dou square v by dou y square and dou square u by dou y dou x is equal to minus dou square v by dou x square. Again by adding we get dou square u by dou x dou y minus dou square u by dou y dou x is equal to dou square v by dou y square plus dou square v by dou x square. But the second derivative is dou square u by dou y dou x is equal to dou square u by dou x dou y. So these two are equal, therefore the difference is 0, that is dou square v by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square is equal to 0. That is the imaginary part v satisfies Laplace equation and hence v is harmonic. Hence the real and imaginary parts of the analytic function are harmonic. If the function is analytic, then the real and imaginary parts are harmonic. Next we have to define the harmonic conjugate. So the another concept, harmonic conjugate. So similar to complex conjugate, here we have harmonic conjugate. Let u of x comma y be a harmonic function. A function v of x comma y is said to be harmonic conjugate of u of x comma y if v is harmonic. V is harmonic, that is the first condition, and u and v satisfy CR equations, Cauchy-Riemann equations, that is dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y and dou u by dou y is minus dou v by dou x. So this is the definition of harmonic conjugate. V is harmonic conjugate of u if v is harmonic, that is it satisfies Laplace equation. U and v satisfy CR equations. Next we have to prove one more result, that is the two functions u of x comma y and v of x comma y are harmonic conjugate of each other if and only if they are constants. So if the two functions u of x comma y is equal to c1 and v of x comma y is equal to c2, where c1 and c2 are constants. Now u of x comma y is equal to c1. So here we have to show that u and v are harmonic conjugate of each other. Differentiating partially with respect to x and y, we get dou u by dou x. So because of constant, differentiation of constant is 0, dou u by dou x is equal to 0, and their second derivative is also 0. Dou square u by dou x square is equal to 0. Similarly, dou u by dou y is equal to 0. Their second derivative, dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0. Therefore, adding these two, we get dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0. That implies u satisfies Laplace's equation and u is harmonic. So u is harmonic. Again, v of x comma y is equal to c2. Differentiating partially with respect to x and y, we get dou v by dou x is equal to 0, and that implies dou square v by dou x square is equal to 0. Similarly, dou square v by dou y square is equal to 0, and their sum, dou square v by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square is equal to 0. That implies v is harmonic. Hence, u and v are harmonic conjugate of each other. U is harmonic, v is harmonic. So, u is harmonic, u and v satisfies Cauchy-Riemann equations. V is harmonic, v and u satisfies Cauchy-Riemann equations. Hence, u and v are harmonic conjugate of each other according to definition of harmonic conjugate. So, this is one part. Conversely, let u and v be harmonic conjugate of each other. Next, we have to show that u is constant and v is constant. So that is, we prove this. The u is constant means its derivative is 0, and all u and v are harmonic conjugate of each other. So by definition, u and v satisfy CR equations. That is, dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. Dou u by dou y is minus dou u by dou x. V satisfies CR equations means you have to replace interchanging u and v. Dou v by dou x is dou u by dou y, and dou v by dou y is minus dou u by dou x. So this is equation 3 and 4. V satisfies CR equations. Equation 1 and 2, u satisfies CR equations. So here from 1 and 4. So in 1 and 4 we have dou v by dou y, here also dou v by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. So combining 1 and 4, we get dou u by dou x is equal to minus dou u by dou x. So it is 2 times dou u by dou x is equal to 0. Therefore, dou u by dou x is equal to 0. So derivative 0 means u is constant, u is independent of x. Similarly, from 2 and 3, here 2 and 3 is dou u by dou y is minus dou u by dou x, and that dou u by dou x is equal to dou u by dou y. So equating these two, we get dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou u by dou y. Therefore, again from 2 and 3, 2 times dou u by dou y is equal to 0. That is, dou u by dou y is equal to 0 is constant. U is constant function. Similarly, we can show that v is constant function. Hence, if u and v are harmonic conjugate of each other, then they are constants. Okay. Let us see some examples on harmonic functions. Show that the function u is equal to 2x minus x cube plus 3xy square is harmonic. To prove it is harmonic, we have to verify Laplace's equation. For that, we have to find first and second order derivatives. So dou u by dou x is equal to differentiation of 2x 2 minus differentiation of x cube 3x square plus differentiation of 3xy square, that is x is 1, when the y is constant, 3y square. Similarly, dou u by dou y with respect to y, x constant, these are zeros, and only 3xy, 6xy, because difference square u by dou y square with respect to y, it is 6x. By adding these two, we get 0. That is, u satisfies Laplace's equation. Hence, the given function is harmonic. Let us see one more example. Show that u is equal to 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square and v is equal to 2xy are harmonic, but u plus iv is not analytic. Here u and v are harmonic, but u plus iv is not analytic. So this is converse. If the function is analytic, then u and v satisfies, u and v are harmonic, but u and v harmonic, function is not analytic. Let us see that one. U is equal to 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square. So find the derivatives dou u by dou x and dou square u by dou x square. So that is equal to x square plus y square minus x into 2x, that is minus 2x square. So finally it is y square minus x square by x square plus y square whole square. Similarly, the second derivative of u with respect to y, dou square u by dou y square, that is x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square whole square. So adding these two, we get same denominator. The LCM is x square plus y square whole square. So adding the numerator, y square minus y square cancel, minus x square plus x square cancel. So it is equal to 0. That is, u satisfies Laplace's equation, hence u is harmonic. Similarly, we can show that v is harmonic. So v is equal to 2xy. Find the second order partial derivatives of v with respect to x and with respect to y. We get dou square v by dou x square is equal to 0. Dou square v by dou y square is equal to 0. So their sum is also 0. That is, v satisfies Laplace's equation, hence v is harmonic. But here u and v are harmonic, but by observing dou u by dou x is not equal to dou v by dou y, because dou u by dou x is x by x square plus y square, but dou v by dou y is 2x. So 2x is not equal to x by x square plus y square. Similarly, dou u by dou y not equal to minus dou u by dou x. So these are CR equations, Cauchy-Riemann equations. Cauchy-Riemann equations are not satisfied by u and v. Hence, u plus iv is not analytic function. But u and v are harmonic functions. They are harmonic, but u plus iv is not analytic. Okay, these are the important problems. Thank you.